I got a squishy package. Yay. Okay. I don't know what I ordered. Forgot. Okay, so I got this mini blush bun. This squishy animal blind bag. They are super small. Thought they would be bigger, but oh well. Oh my god, I got the duck. It's so cute. Look how squishy that is, but it's super sticky. But okay. I'm sick, guys. And the last thing. What is this? What is this? Oh my god. Guys, the mochi seal. I can't believe it. Oh my gosh. I have to take this out of packaging. Hopefully I don't ruin the packaging. I'm only taking it off of one side. I do not want to ruin it. Usually you guys just cut it, but I don't want to cut it. Okay. Moment of truth. Oh my gosh! Oh my god. This is so cute. I don't know if it smells. So. I'm totally keeping this in packaging, but I want to take it out. I thought it was gonna come yesterday, cause yeah, but oh my god, look how cute this is. Oh my god, I can't smell anything though. Is this a magnet? Right there. Does this stick? It sticks. Oh my god. Look how fluorizing that is. Oh my god. Guys, this is so squishy. I need to show this to my mom. I'll be back. Guys, I thought this was going to be bigger, but look how small this is. It's like the size of my palm, but half of my palm. But it's so cute! I got the strawberry one, the strawberry ice cream. So cute. Putting it back in the packaging because I don't want it to be infected. So, those squishy lovers, putting back in the packaging struggles. I think it's supposed to be the other way, but oh well. Look how cute this is. The packaging is heaven. I care for you. There you go. The mochi seal. Look at that. Super adorable. I love it. I'm putting this back in packaging, of course. Oh my god. Guys. Look how adorable this is. Putting it back in the packaging. Blush bond is already in the packaging because I didn't take it out, so yeah. So squishy. Okay. I thought this was gonna come in the smaller packaging one, so yeah. Okay. Bye guys.